Now, the agricultural sector has been the biggest drag on the economy in the third quarter, contracting 28.8%. The overall economy unexpectedly shrunk by 0.3% over the period. Our business reporter Ntokozo Khumalo has more.
The South African economy reversed the gains made in the second quarter after flatlining in the first 3 months of the year.
Our economy fell by 0.3% as of the third quarter in 2024. And of course, the year-on-year, it's 0.3%. The 9 months on 9 months is 0.4%.
The agricultural industry is the biggest negative contributor.
Then you actually end up with a GDP of a plus 0.4. You can really just ignore the negative 0.3 and you don't subtract the 0.7, you get a plus 0.4, which is very much closer to what we've seen from consensus estimates.
General government services also decreased by 0.1% due to a fall in employment in national, provincial and budgetary institutions. Transport, storage, communication and trade also contracted. On the other hand, finance, real estate and business services contributed positively, as did mining and manufacturing. Gross fixed capital formation or investments into the economy edged up for the first time since the third quarter of last year.
This is the first growth we are actually seeing coming out of the third quarter of last year, recording a growth of 0.3%. And indeed, we can say that other assets contributed 0.5 of a percentage point, while they grew by 4.4%.
The South African Association of Conferencing Industry and Flock Eventing Platforms, Mary Mahlangu, says the sector is seeing this improved investor sentiment.
You can see a lot of corporates definitely looking at a one-band solution. Particularly even at Flock, for example, the company that I work for, we've seen quite a lot of traction in terms of a lot of corporates wanting a one-band platform in terms of doing their RSVPs right down to their on-site. So you're seeing quite a lot of that, a lot of licensing from our end anyways. And then a lot of event companies really wanting, what's out there from a new technology perspective. From what can we bring out that's fresh, that's new, that's out of the norm, which a lot of the times we've been kind of developing a lot of.
For Newzroom Afrika on Channel 405, I'm Ntokozo Khumalo in Pretoria.